some people were thrown off by what they say were off-color remarks that you apparently made kanina doon sa impeachment proceedings. What prompted that remark about Miss Ann
Oh,
Curtis?
that was an analogy. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh. That was an analogy kasi meron silang statement na ina-attribute kay VP Sara as part of yung allegations ng impeachment complaint na one time raw ewan ko, may statement daw si Inday Sara na pertaining to the president na nandun siya sa eskwela, nakita niya yung batang naghihirap, tapos na-imagine raw niya na parang gusto raw niyang putulan ng ulo si
Pugutan ng ulo.
presidente. Ganyan. Now, ang niraise ni Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, imagination and desire are not impeachable offense. You cannot you cannot hold someone liable for it. Kaya nga, sabi ko parang analogy lang yan. In fact, wala naman ako doon sa Shangri-La. Ang sinasabi ko lang, parang nandiyan ako sa Shangri-La, nakita ko si Ann Curtis, ang ganda-ganda pala niya. So nagkaroon ng desire sa puso ko. Nagkaroon ng desire sa akin at na-imagine ko. Oh. It's an analogy. And there was, alam mo, sometimes nasa pag-iisip ng tao yan eh. Pagka gusto na, ang sinabi ko, so yung imagination at saka yung desire ba yan? Can I be charged or is it punishable? Is it a crime? Is it immoral? Is it illegal? Kaya nga tinatanong ko doon sa komite. So, ano yung immoral doon sa sinabi ko?
Well, actually, sir, the question might also be, couldn't you have come up with a better analogy without coming off sounding like publicly saying that you're desiring somebody at nag-init yung iyong katawan?
Nasa mga tao yun eh. It depends on how you what conclusion you draw. But what I'm trying to drive at is, there's nothing immoral, there's nothing punishable. Mas masakit pa nga yung kay VP because we want to try to impeach the second highest elected official of a land because of something that she imagined or she desired.
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the analogy.
I get what you're saying, sir, but I think we should also dissociate those two issues. One being whether or not the VP committed anything impeachable. That's for the committee to determine naman and the House to determine as a chamber. The other one is your analogy, whether it was an appropriate analogy to begin with.
Well, it depends. Kagaya nga sinabi ko, I don't see anything immoral. I don't see anything illegal in those statements. In fact, ang sinabi ko lang nga, nakita ko siya, ang ganda-ganda pala niya, nagkaroon ng desire sa akin at na-imagine ko na lang. Pero hanggang imagination na lang yan. Yun yung that's the exact statement that I said. And what's very telling is, ewan ko bakit yun yung pinipick up. Hindi pinick up that we are hearing, Committee on Justice yun. And everyone should appear to be impartial. And we should not censure words just because, di ba? That's very telling. Ibig ba sabihin yan? Even if yung mga statements, even if the word is not illegal, if the word is not immoral, pagka gusto ng komite na i-censure to strike it out of record, pwedeng gawin yan, then how can we be impartial pagka ganyan? What do you expect from the committee? I think that's the bigger issue that we have to focus on. We shouldn't focus on Ann Curtis or whatever. We have to focus on how the committee is being, how the hearing is taking place. I'm saying, if you feel that what I said was immoral, then I would like to ask which particular word was immoral.
I'm not saying morality is a tricky thing. It's a very subjective thing.
That's
But
right.
let me also point out that your choice of words nagiinit ang iyong katawan at ini-imagine mo ang kung anong pwede mangyari.
Tapos anong sinabing ng dulo? Pero hanggang imagination lang yan.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir. But
So,
was that
okay, now
if you were Ann Curtis, how would you feel?
Even assuming that whole context, there's nothing wrong. Kasi, in fact, there was nothing even sexual doon sa statement na yon. It depends on
Well,
how you
That's
analyze
subjective.
it.
oh, sige, sir. Anyway, I don't want to go into a discussion on morality because that should
Yeah.
be that should not be one of the things we have to negotiate or discuss.
Yeah, I agree with you.
It's
I
just
agree with you.
it's just
Totally agree with
it's just a question lang of whether it was appropriate or not. Kasi let me put it this way: if you were Ann Curtis or if Ann Curtis were your relative, you might feel
Offended.
differently.
Oh.
It depends on how you view it. It depends on kung ano kung ano yung pag-iisip ng tao.
Pero don't you think, Congressman, you owe Ann Curtis an apology for using her?
Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda niya. And I think she should take it as a compliment that I feel and I believe that she's very beautiful.
Dun sa aspect na yun. Pero dun sa nag-iinit niyang katawan.
Well, mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Diba?
Sir naman,
Palagay ko-
you do know that's not what you meant, and anybody
Palagay
can tell
ko-
you that.
No, but you're attributing something that I may not have meant. Diba?
So what did you mean when you said nagiinit ang
you're coming
iyong...
into a conclusion.
When you said nagiinit kayo, what did you mean then?
As I mentioned, it was an analogy.
Yes, sir.
It was
An
not
analogy.
even a real situation. It was not even a real situation.
So you never really saw Ann Curtis.
No, it was not even a real situation. Diba?
Okay.
Kaya nga hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit it was an imaginary situation. Kaya nga sinabi ko,
Sir-
imagination and desire.
Sir, the words you chose kanina, nakita niyo si Ann Curtis, hindi niyo sinabi na imagine niyo nakita niyo si
Sabi ko,
Ann Curtis.
parang nung nakita ko si Ann Curtis sa Shangri-La, it's not a real it's not a real event.
No, you said I saw Ann Curtis sa Shangri-La.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean it was a real event.
So
I
imagination
was
niya lang.
making up the situation, the
Okay,
scenario.
maybe sir, you should have been clear
I was
there
making
because
up the scenario. Kasi nga,
Okay,
analogy.
Don't you think, Congressman, you owe Ann Curtis an apology for using her?
Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda niya. And I think she should take it as a compliment that I feel and I believe that she's very beautiful.